Hey guys, we're down here at MayDays, and I tell you what, there's some good looking stuff down here, and I'll take you around a little bit and show you a few things. The day seems to be a bit chilly, which is probably a good thing as long as it doesn't rain. So come on with me and take a look.
I've never seen one like it before. Is your buddy here?
Yeah, he's over there. My goodness gracious. I tell you what, there's some good stuff here, man. Hey guys, here's something interesting. Hey guys, how you doing?
Good, yeah.
These are chariots.
Yeah, kids.
This thing just looks mean just looking at it. Looks like a raging bull with two horns sticking out. Big old nostrils. Hey, look at the hair dryers on this son of a gun. Now, what year is this?
53.
53?
Yeah.
How much power?
Depends on the day, depends what the track will put down.
On an average?
On average, we can drive around town probably around 1,000 horsepower on
Is
pump
that-
gas.
It's amazing, hey? I was just talking to the other guy over there, pump gas.
Yeah.
You used to never ever, if you're lucky if you made 300 horsepower on pump gas back in the day. Pre-detonation, the piston be blowing out the exhaust pipe.
And we can get 23 miles to the gallon doing it.
That's bizarre, isn't it?
Technology.
I see you got
Now this one runs a pair of 80s, so it's even bigger. We built this car in 25 days from a bare shell. No kidding. There's some fit and finish issues that we will resolve, but they disqualified my truck from the main event.
Why?
Because I moved my firewall back. So at that point we decided that we would take her car, which was sitting there as a bare shell and frame rails. That was April 19th, they disqualified me. April 20th, we started this car.
It's interesting. If you put your mind to something, what you can do. Bizarre. Anyways.
Very nice to meet you.
I'm Corley.
Please meet you, Corley. Your name is?
Scott.
Please meet you, Scott. It's Avery, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Have a good day.
Let's see what else is down here, guys. Look at that. Look at the back of this vehicle. Look at that. Look at them fat dudes on that thing. Look at that. Oh, look at that. You got a big old carburetor on there. You got one or two in there.
There's two.
Look at that.
It's a 426 Hemi.
Hey, a 426 Hemi, guys.
1970 Hemi Cuda.
Let's take a gander at this some gun.
Trying to keep the legend alive.
Oh! Look at that. Hey, this is street legal or?
Street, legit. License, insurance, everything, right?
Well, I guess you're obviously washing the bugs off the front of it, so it must be, eh? Well, that's pretty cool. Anyways, you got a great looking piece. Excuse me, sir. Did you buy this out of the Sears catalog?
I sure did.
You bought this car off Mike, right? You bought this off Mike
Yes,
a
I
long
did.
time ago, yeah.
I did. 2018.
Is that right? And again, you guys, these cars, you can buy this car out of the Sears and Robot magazine. Hey, that's weird.
Yeah, it was probably around $500.
You got more than that into it now.
Oh
right?
yeah, lots more.
Okay, good seeing you, man. Good luck.
I should have worn my boots. Because I'm starving.
I tell you what, at least I don't have to worry about getting sunstroke today.
No. Come on, man. If it just clear up a
Well,
bit.
one thing about it, everything will run good in this cold.
Yeah, it'll run good, but there's going to be no traction. Track's going to
Yeah,
be like,
I tell you
like an
what.
ice cube, right? So
Yeah, it's
I think Tori and his track hawk's going to have a pretty good, right?
What are you doing, Connor?
Trying to lose some money. That's what I'm doing. I ain't fucking winning
How
anymore.
are you doing? Good. You're going to race your dad for picks? Well, you don't need to take his car anyways. He's giving you a deal.
And even if he gets mine, I'll get it back.
Yeah.
It's a win-win and a lose-lose situation.
Exactly. This is the man here they don't he's on the road.
You can tell he's retired his hair. And have ponytail pretty quick.
Yeah, well, I want to do the dreads.
Yeah.
Are you racing anything today, Barry?
I brought my car, I just put the engine back together, so the first time I fired it up is when I put it in the trailer. Last night I back and forth.
Couple of test runs.
Yeah.
Nothing leaks, nothing breaks.
So far, so good.
So good.
Barry here is one of the guys that keeps our roads safe.
Toyota Sleeka with a early Hemi
Oh, really?
and a blower.
What are you guys doing?
Just a lot of nothing.
I hear you're the only one that's gonna win today. Hey? You're the only one gonna win. You got 4-wheel drive and the track is so hard and slippery, nobody else gonna get in the track. So you're gonna kick their ass.
We're hoping so. Good friends here, actually.
Yes. He's got a track hawk down to the nuts. What do you got in it?
Fully built. Hemi.
Yeah?
Supercharged.
Overdriven, and how much power are you making?
Over 1,000.
Nice. Enjoying the day? No, kind of. It's not raining.
As long as this rain stays away.
I tell you what, it looked like it's getting kind of mean over there, but hopefully it goes the other direction. Cool. I'm gonna have a good day today, guys. Can you get some guitar? Okay. Hey, a genuine spaghetti bender. Did these two get along parked this close? Are they gonna start fighting? Hey? Or maybe
They'll be making a movie about it.
making a movie, or hopefully they might crossbreed and get a Fiat. Here's a question, guys. What's the clutch worth?
It's a dual clutch.
But what's it worth to fix?
It's wet clutch. They don't ever go. It's part
Oh,
of the transmission.
they don't,
They
eh?
don't ever go. These ones go.
They're about. The reason I was going to give them a hard time was about $20,000 to put a clutch in this car when you burn it out.
Yeah.
Hey, 20 grand.
Ferraris used to be like that. Starting at the 458, they did a dual clutch setup.
Okay.
And it's a wet clutch. Like
Okay.
a motorcycle inside the transmission. They never burn out now. And you can't kill them. We'll try today though.
Did you even hear that? Again, tell me about the clutch in this vehicle. Is which?
It's a wet clutch setup. It's a dual clutch wet clutch setup.
Like a motorcycle.
Like a motorcycle. They're inside the transmission and they don't ever go in these cars now.
So the worst drivers of the worst drivers can take a drive without killing the clutch.
That's right, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah!
Here's the tech guy. He's looking pretty serious today.
You like my car?
You can pay him off like a couple apples in the bottom of Coca-Cola and stuff like that, a sandwich.
I get paid off easily.
Okay, guys, let's see something interesting over here. How you doing? Having a good day or what? Good day, my friend. Enjoying the day or what? What the hell you been doing? Anything interesting going? Working. I had a job once, first 15 minutes of my life. It's kind of a cold day, but there's some neat stuff here, man. It's good to see everybody out. Everybody owes 90% friends. Everybody gets along for the better part. It's kind of nice. Oh, what do we have here? Hey. Look at that. Now, what is that, a 20? What is that?
This is it's a VR6.
Oh, it's a Volkswagen.
Yeah. It's actually a 6-cylinder. See, it's a one head.
I thought you were just bullshitting me. Tell me a little bit about it. It's a V6. It looks like a 4-cylinder like this then.
Yeah. So it's one head. It's only a 15-degree angle. So 3 of the cylinders have longer intakes than the other 3. So that cylinder goes there. So this intake goes that far. This intake only goes this far. The pistons are staggered.
How much power you make? It looks like you got all kinds of apparatuses on this thing. How much power you make?
It's made 1,100 wheel.
At how many cc's?
2.9.
How much boost?
I can't remember now.
No, what is this? This looks like a locker out of your boat. What is that? A
No,
crew can or
this is,
something?
if you look here. This is it's a full air-to-water intercooler setup.
Okay.
That's actually the intake manifold. It's all. So this is where we put our ice water. So you see the tanks here on the side?
Okay.
So you open this up, that's where we put our ice. So it's a full air-to-water setup.
You got a village pump down there.
Yeah, literally in it.
Take a look at this. Want to see something funny, guys? Hey, it's got a village pump in there.
See down there? Yeah. So then we got a drain on the side, so we just pack it full of ice. Right? So we can get below ambient.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Innovation, hey?
Yeah. And then it's got like an air shifter conversion. So it's stock base transmission. It's got airlines, so it's paddle shifted now. Yeah. So it's highly modified transmission. It's got dog box conversion, like straight cut gears, and then like you can shift it either with the paddles up down, or you can actually shift it like sequentially with the shifter there.
This thing must go, hey?
Yeah, but it's not really built. We're just here to have fun. When it gets on the track, we're gonna take the buffer out, and then it's gonna it makes some noise.
Is that your main battery?
Yeah.
I like it anyways. Your name is?
Alexi, but the car is actually owned by our buddy Razvan.
Oh, nice.
The driver's meeting out. But the big guys in the
Nice.
But there's a group of us all, we all work together on it. We started as a group car, then our buddy Raz kind of took it over. He's an engineer, so that's why he engineered the shifter stuff.
I tell you what, look at this, guys. You can look down here. It doesn't look like much, but I tell you what, it's truly innovative and pretty darn cool.
Even like the clutch setup, so we got dual solenoids. So when you launch it, you push the clutch in, you let go of the clutch, and the clutch stays in. So it's not until you take the e-brake off, then it's a controlled release of the clutch. And then you can control that with the computer, how fast it comes in and releases. So that's how you dial in the traction of the line.
Is this thing a different also, by the way?
Yeah, so you have to like slip it out of the hole, right? Yeah.
I like it. I can't wait to see this run, actually. I actually like these cars. Oh, you getting all ready, are you, or what?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
Getting all the luggage out of the trunk from last vacation you went on. Hopefully it doesn't rain on you guys today.
I think it's coming though.
Yeah, it sure feels like it, but hopefully it doesn't. Now, what's this jewel got in it? How much power you make?
Made just under 1,000 on pump gas and the plus the nitrous.
It blows me away what's making on pump gas nowadays.
Yeah.
You know, if you made 300 horsepower back in the 70s on pump gas, you think you had the world by the ass. Eh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
That was a totally different
You
story.
can pay straight 400 or 500 on top of that.
I tell you what, you're from Kelowna?
No, Vancouver.
Vancouver?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, 604, 20.
Yeah.
Okay, 204. Okay, I'm losing my mind.
250.
250, yeah.
Yeah, no, we're from Vancouver.
Oh, nice. Nice. Having a good day hanging out or what?
Well, just got here, yeah.
Did you? Where'd you from?
Airdrie.
Oh, interesting. I got a bunch of whack job relatives that live in Airdrie. How long you lived in Airdrie for?
Just 5 years.
Oh,
Well,
nice.
I'm from Calgary.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Yeah,
cool.
but I know you're from Fort St. John because my ex-husband knows you.
Who's your ex-husband?
Trevor Van Dale.
Who's your ex-husband?
Yeah.
Trevor Vandell. I grew up with him in high school.
Yeah.
His brother Tony gave me a tow once at about 35 below out at High Tower 14. He hooked onto my truck with this big old sow, which is a big old bed truck, and towed me through the snowdrifts at about 60 miles an hour behind this thing until my truck started. It's a very vivid memory. That jack is 3 million years old.
I know.
Hey guys, if I was looking at, I used to work back in the day. You guys all wonder what I used to do or did. I used to work for Ed Gardner, the Transline Pipeline, back about 3 million years ago.
Yeah.
Back when I had a real job. Worst 15 minutes of my life. How you guys doing? How's the driver's meter? I love it.
That's good. You guys got anything?
Yeah, Connor and Mike got some stuff here. But
Oh yeah.
I'm
It's here for the fun.
just here for the fun. Absolutely. I love it.
It could be a little bit warmer,
Having a good day or what? Hey, are you having a good day? Hey, are you looking for a cat to chase?
oh, you'd love one.
Having a good day or what?
Want to try?
I'll tell you what. No, I'm not racing.
Come on.
I'm watching.
You don't got your little Volkswagen or
No,
something?
God. I'm busy watching. I'm watching to see what's happening. I tell you what, great turnout here. It's really cold out here. It's nice. Anyways, guys, just a little look around here. It's going to be a good event. It's